Hello everybody, it's me, Eddie. I just want to let you guys know something. I got me some LEDs. I'm going to show you what these look like. And I'm going to show you what happened. Now let's go over here. And what we're going to do is, we're going to unlock this truck. Sammy's in here. Say hi. Sammy, say hi to everybody. I'm going to put the keys in the ignition. I'm going to turn my lights on. And then we're going to go over here. Now let me show you something. Uh-oh. Damn, we got something going on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That ain't good. Let's see if she starts. Woo-wee! Woo-hoo! I thought my battery was dead. Been working on it all day. Let's see here. All right. So there we goes. I got one of them lights out. As you can see. Woo-hoo-wee! I don't know if you can see this, but it's kind of bluish. Kind of bluish looking. You guys see that? Woo-hoo-hoo! So, I put these all in. I don't know if you guys can see my fog lights. It kind of looks yellow with this camera. Because you know I'm poor. I ain't got no expensive camera like y'all. But look, it's very bright. It looks super bright. It looks very bright. So what I have to do is, I gotta shut the headlights off. Okay? I'm gonna shut them off. I'm gonna turn them back on. Now let's go see what happened. Nah, nothing yet. Well, let's do it again. This is the part I hate about driving at night. Let's see. Nope, nothing again. I don't like this. Let's see what's gonna happen. Can we get it to blow? Oh, I think she finally died on me just in the nick of time. Let's see. Because usually what I is able to do is I is able to go like this a couple times. And then what happens is, miraculously, it comes on. Oh look, I got it to happen again. You guys see that? Woo-wee. Look at them. Ooh, I love my new headlights. They look all fancy. They're fancy and everything. So I'm going to let you know something. Let's go back in the tent shop. And I'm going to show y'all what I got going on here. So I ordered these right here from Amazon. This is my HIDs kit. You guys see all that? Looks nice and pretty. It comes with this fancy box here. So you don't gotta adapt anything else. No lights. It doesn't tell me I got a light bulb out. All that fun stuff. Now I think Sammy, she's holding on to all lights. And I kinda like this. This is why I wanted to do the review for everybody. Hi Sammy, you like your headlights? You like them? Yeah, I like them too. Let's go show everybody again. Now check this out, fellows. they sent me one of these because obviously I got a bad one in that. So I opened up the package, and I gotta tell y'all, what was really nice is I messaged them 2 days ago. 2 days. And you know what happened? 2 days later, these showed up in the mail. I couldn't believe it. So let's go over here now. Now don't mind my camera because I'm using a crappy cell phone. But I got a new light. You see this? Look at that. A nice, shiny, brand new packaged light. But what was really cool was they gave me another one. Look at that. Now I got 2 lights. I think that was very nice of them. Very, very nice. I mean, who does that? I'm sure these have to be worth something. $2, $1, whatever they paid for it. But whatever it is, I got another one for free. So I just wanted to show y'all one more time my LED fog lights and my HID headlights. They look nice and pretty. I'm going to turn my fog lights on. Look. Woo! Yeah, baby. Woo! Now, would you look at that? Look at that shine. It's shining, guys. It looks very bright. I can't even believe it. I'm probably going to be able to see driving home. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a part 2 in the comment section of this video. Because when I'm driving in the backcountry of Florida, I'm going to take me some pictures. Yeah. Oh, no. You know what? I can't take a picture. I'm going to take a video. Sorry, I don't really know what the hell I'm talking about. But look. Ooh, it's shiny. I don't know. I can't really tell. But you can't really see the blueness. It's got like a nice little haze of blue in there. I don't know. You guys can see that? I think it looks nice and pretty. I think it looks beautiful. Yeah. Ooh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy and excited. You guys can't even imagine. Let's go see if Sammy's happy. Hey, Sammy, you like your headlights? Tell everybody. Tell everybody how much you like your headlights. What's wrong? You want a treat? You want a treat? Is that what Sammy wants? All right, Sammy. Wave bye. Give me a paw. All right, say bye. There's your treat.